intangible real-world asset. This process, typically executed on blockchain network, fluctuate the transfer of existing real-world documentation into digital format, minting programmable token that encapsulate asset attribute and ownership particulars. The economic potential of RWA tokenization is poised to be transformative, underscored by significant market forecast. A McKinsey report which has a tokenized market capitalization of approximately $2 billion by 2030, whilst a report by Ripple and Boston Consulting Group project real-world asset tokenization is scaling from 0.6 trillion in 25 to a formidable 18.9 trillion by 2023, signifying a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 53%. This paradigm is anticipated to unlock substantial tapped capital, notably land asset in India, which represent nearby 50% of national assets, often idle due to limitations on tradability and eligibility for loan tokenization enhance liquidity for traditionally illiquid assets, facilitating trading and utilization as collateral, thereby injecting capital into venture and investment and potentially catalyzing a new wave of economic growth. Initial market traction of evidence by 5.4 billion in real estate tokenization project and tokenized bond issuance across 8 jurisdictions. The functional benefits inherit the tokenization multifaceted loan autonomous bend asset income generation potential deployment on blockchain ensure transparency and immutability, establishing an indelible and publicly verifiable record of transactions, thereby fostering trust and reducing opacity. Fractional ownership become feasible, disaggregating asset ownership into smaller tradable units, which is argued to facilitate the democratization of wealth creation and broaden investment access to a wider populace. Constantly with concern regarding wealth concentration, this mechanism also offer operational efficacies and efficiency potential, reduce transaction cost. This applicability of RWA tokenization span a diverse array of asset and sector beyond land, including gold, intellectual property, commodity. This asset its potential to permeate various economic domains. Financial institutes like HSBC and UBS have initiated tokenization solution for deposit and digital respectively, and has issued digital bond. Notably, the Reserve Bank of India has successfully implemented tokenization for credit card users. Priorities security for payment, although this differ from comprehensive RWA tokenization, which primarily target value unlocking and wealth creation. Analogies can be drawn to the dematerialization of company share, which facilitated digitalizing. Realizing for the full potential of RWA tokenization necessitates navigating complex legal and regulatory terrain. A fundamental prerequisite is an in unequivocal establishment of asset title in the real world prior to tokenization. Their ownership is deemed a significant risk minefield given existing litigation and claim complexities. Robust legal framework is deemed imperative, potentially requiring composite legislation or extensive amendments to existing statutes such as the Contract Act, Transfer Property Act, Registration Act, and Stamp Act, necessitating a holistic legislative perspective. Safeguard potentially administered by regulatory bodies akin to securities market regulator SEBI are essential to protect token holder against potential asset collapse or issuer insolvency, akin to mechanism in traditional stock market. international legal precedent, including those in Singapore, the UK, and Hong Kong, are beginning to address digital ownership and service of court order via digital platform. For the Indian context, a strategic path forward involve leveraging existing robust digital public infrastructure, especially Aadhaar and UPI, as foundational layer for identity and payment integration with tokenization system. Successful adoption necessitates technology design with regularity compliance embedded, regulated by design, incorporating rule-based functioning workflow via smart contracts that align with prevailing real-world laws and sectoral regulation, ensuring equitable access across India's diverse populace, requiring platforms that are language agnostic, mobile first, and potentially augmented with AI understanding and ease of adoption, replicating the success seen with UPI. Collaborative effort between regulator, technology innovators, and legal professionals are crucial to Davis tailored solution create for Bharat that balance innovation with stringent security and consumer protection measure, incorporating concepts like data segmentation, subnet architecture, and privacy preserving technology. Zero knowledge proof where applicable. Ultimately, tokenization is viewed as a mechanism capable of distributing wealth by providing broader investment opportunities. Jai Hind.